Hello, my name's Kelly. I was a past client of Carlisle's who then turned into a current worker of Carlisle. I built the Embleton 29. I have a husband, Michael, who's a cabinet maker. We share our home with two little pugglies, Barkley and Lily, who are very naughty. We chose to build with Carlisle after walking through many display homes. They were one of many that we went through, but for us, Carlisle felt like home. It felt warm, it felt inviting. It was a really great experience for us building with Carlisle, and that is one reason why I'm now working for Carlisle. From the moment we went into the showroom to pick our colours for our beautiful new home, I said to my husband that this was a workplace where I wanted to work at. We were welcomed at the display homes, so that was good. We knew that obviously we were going to be getting great customer service. Value for money, we found the promotion was really good. Everything just felt right with Carlisle. The build journey itself was great. From the moment we were dealt with at sales all the way through to settlement, we weren't treated like a number. We felt that we were treated like we were their only customer, right through from their selection centre through to contract signing and then all the way to settlement. When our build was finished or nearing completion, I monitored the careers at Carlisle, and I made sure when a position came up that I applied, and I was successful enough to be able to work for a great company. From a past client to now a staff member of Carlisle, I can safely say that their processes are what sets them aside from the rest. We have internal quality programs like no other builder. It's quality assured, but apart from that, it's what they stand for. They stand to build quality homes for families. One of the standout moments that we had where we had realised that the customer service was great was when we were picking our colours for our home. And for me, I really struggled with the external colours and putting them together. And our colour consultant was able to piece together lots of moving parts from our externals and put them together for us, and was able to make recommendations based on her expertise so that we were able to put something together that really worked. So that was a standout moment for us. For me, the reason why I wanted to work for Carlisle was because I wanted my clients to have the same experience that I had building. The reassurance, the passion behind it, and just making sure that they get the quality home that I got. They got the customer experience that I got, and they had the same feeling when they got to pick up their keys that their home is home now, and that's what I wanted to give to my clients.